My people worldwide, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I don't know where you're watching me from right now. This is Onotu TV, aka on Rush White. I am out here this day to let you guys know, say he get voice where they touch people's souls worldwide. The music that I'm here to promote for you all to see, to listen and be blessed with it. The artist's name is Nation Man. Guys, this guy is good. I am here to promote this song, and I want to plead with you all as you watch this video. Anywhere you're watching this video from, please share this video. Show love to somebody who is talented as Nation Man. Here is the song. Enjoy it and be blessed.
Yeah! Here we go, man. Major again, we do that thing you do. Nobody will say that thing you say. Nobody will feel love me as you do. Nobody will do that thing you do. Nobody will say that thing you say. Nobody will feel love me as you do. You make my life look bigger than what of people don't understand. I wouldn't wake to praise you and them all, cause you are the best. Every day I holla prayer, every night I fire. Somebody want to rule my life for because they give me power. Heavenly grace and maga. See my people manya. Imela.